Welcome to TheDuttyBerryShow's coverage of Reggae Sumfest 2023, brought to you by Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa. Alright, so DuttyBerry here, Reggae Sumfest 2023, and I'm here with an artist called Roze. Roze, how was that set just now?
Well, it was a great feeling, you know, and it was a good look, yeah, man. Yeah, man, definitely.
First time, second time?
I come here for the first time.
Jesus, for the first time! Look how they set up the Jesus people. What was that like?
Well, it's an overwhelming feeling. It's like a dream come true. You don't know a youth coming from the ghetto. We always see them thing up on the television. So it's a great feeling to be a part of all of that.
Yeah, so what did it go through your mind like when you hear say, you get the call, you get booked for Sumfest? What the first thing you start for plan?
Well, I didn't know say they are forward still, you know, but we just there say, we have to make a stamp and make them know say, we stop sleep on the youth. Yeah, man.
Do you feel like now with the current set of rising like dancehall artists, you feel like you overlook sometimes in the whole conversation because you've been actually putting out some hits? You feel overlooked when, you know, like people are so going?
No, I don't feel overlooked still, you know, because any idea them can't go around it. Like, you can't go a party and you hear Roze. Like I tell you so. But then I eat food and I don't really care what nobody wants.
What do you think has been the formula to come up with songs that actually do so well on TikTok? Is a something where you work on and say, yo, this is the science behind it, or is it just a natural thing?
Well, I say it's natural, you know. Just white one, I say white one, I just do a bag of things and yeah, man, it's natural.
A little bit, just a little bit. Me good pussy. And me a looking like crowd, over the stuff. Give me some signal. The girl 1 million, that little bit boy. And them girl a whine and twerk and jiggle it, my girl scream out. And like I'm really rich, just spend 3 million for me. And mo make it dirty money, take it down. My life upgrade, you know see how we clean now. White and me rubbing up the cream now. 21 days in the magazine now. Girl we used to mean to me and some of me now. I'm a me good lad that done freak now. A long body she a deep throat. As the man gonna break she a sweet gun.
So since you've been doing some of the songs that actually have dances, you catch on the dance them good now, so we can say Roze is officially a dancer now?
No, yeah, me I tell you, it's not true. We are dancing in the ravers. We can't do dance.
Because I Flames, you know, learn one of the moves them and stuff them, man.
I can't do
Jesus,
them thing,
man, I look a rifle one, nothing. I look a...
You have two parts. You have somebody where tell them what to do.
Yeah.
Me I don't want to tell them.
Not even the slingshot, not even the one you go so.
I say, I lie. Bird fly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that one.
How is the link money looking?
Link money enough, you know. Link have millions of dollars I give away. Whole heap of money them have give them. I want to download the app and follow the protocols.
Yeah, we see you do corporate stuff now. We see you on the road, the digital and stuff
now,
like that. Yeah.
Now we in the back of me car and everything up on a level. Big up Ramesh Entertainment, big up Two Flash Records. Yeah.
So a different management and bookings and stuff.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, only
Okay, makes sense. So right now, I'm gonna just before you leave, I'm gonna do a school challenge quiz. Give me this called Dutty Challenge Quiz. Yeah. So I'm gonna ask you some question. If you can't answer it, it's just pass. Okay?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, so true or false, Burna Boy bought Jada Kingdom a Birkin.
Oh, I don't know. Pass.
Alright, name 3 of Bob Marley's children.
Damian Marley, Rita Marley, Kimani Marley.
Alright, whoa. Alright, so who has the larger entourage, Idonia or Popcorn?
Why? Donia.
Okay. Name the 2 people them on the $1,000 bill. You're bridging them right so I can't help you out, you know. Me no remember, you know, so yeah.
The man name, Nama Marley and Bustamante.
Alright, spell Pampute.
Pamputee. I don't
know what the name. How long if you take it from Kingston to go to Ochi? Yeah, drive. How long it's supposed to take it from Kingston for reach Ochi?
5 minutes.
Somebody said, what?
5 minutes, man.
I'm playing.
No, 15 minutes. No, if you take you 15 minutes, no, if you take you 45 minutes.
Wow, I went and drive. Okay. Alright, so this dancehall lady dated 2 of dancehall biggest rivals that their names start with B. This dancehall lady, Alright. What the highest ticket price for Chris Brown?
1.5 million.
Alright, so according to the Roger Wild song, what do bad bitches enjoy sexing? Alright, okay, so like, share and subscribe is to YouTube as Taps and Roses is to
TikTok.
What is the name of the dancehall artist whose name could be interpreted as 10 minutes to 5.
450.
All right, last one now. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
What's your name that again?
Gotcha.
Brittany.
Okay, all right. That is it. Big up yourself, man. Thank you very much. All right.
What is that for me?
Alright?
Roze right there.
Without me, dance sound no nice. Let me tell you this.
Level there, rough cut. Level there.
Them not give me credit when me deserve. And we are creative enough things, boy. I let you caca them.
Let's see
Well, I know.
I free.
And we are coming here for the first time. I mean, I know if for the white drum, but I give me them now. I me say, oh, but me cook, make a bird fly.
Over there, so.
Over there,
so.
yeah, man.
Up there, so.
I me look over here, so. Bad man a party, bring them the close by. Boy, tell them off your phone line. Dirty money, we have a portion of it. Portion of the corner.
Portion of it.
And the cigarette smoke, me shake. I tell squad it's if you hold and a bit, cause the weed just.
And the end of
How I caca there? My father, teach him my style. Yo, caca, mash up in here. Watch out, boy, move, down, get, ball, boy. Stir fry enough for dinner. I don't know what you me story though. Give me real, hurry up. New shoes, dirty up, white drum. Oh, you're somebody that's a dancer. Oh, you say something to them.
Nova Scotia, the bossy bumps, everybody touch your shoulder. I to the left man a rocky like full suit and close alone at a phone.
We take a next step.
Them gyal a take set. Cause she a move to the beat, get your foot dead. I'm in a take check, the way the head set. Brandon just a dance, and we not take no check. Cause so,
He got so.
still a dance.
He got so.
Dance, still a dance. So
Brandon, hey, watch out now. Brandon. We mash up in your anger and left them in a style. You know, sit there and laugh. Let go your bird and they fly past. If you're born to dance, them fine one flash. And watch out, I'm going foot, them a go and look out. We are sweat cause the white drummer. Give me next one. Yeah. As what me I say, it's a pleasure being here. I'm my last one, this man I overdo it. Kaka, them wanna go.
Never OD me DJ.
Oh, no, do.
Big up to all of Sumfest, man.
Big up to all I sponsor them, big up Magnum. Big up Campari, big up White Rum, Red Stripe. But you see tonight what we represent. A White Rum, well a White Rum and chase thugs and dead faces there, so we be a girl. Batman cleaning a name brand flag from Vietnam, darkest Ray-Ban. I light a touch it, turn it down there. Some man represent modest life, some man say sinner life. You know what me represent, my father? This I kill a life. Batman a party and we a build a vibe. Me go so, sir, and everything. Look ya, and me a looking like crowd. Me say uptown there, Spain town there, big slate there, what? Market crowd there, so you know it and there. Big girl there, we know. Boy, Sumfest, big up on yourself, you know.
Sumfest, big up on yourself, you know.
Jenny, so we don't work, you can wipe off the stage. Manners and respect, yeah?
Welcome to Dutty Berry Show's coverage of Reggae Sumfest 2023, brought to you by Grand Palladium Jamaica Resort and Spa